so today our topic is articles. So first of all, we should know ki what are articles. So an article is a word that combines with a noun or nouns and helps to determine whether a noun in any sentence or phrase is specific or general. So basically, we should know first of all what are nouns, what are just like adjectives. Understood? So basically, our nouns are characterized into two categories, that is specific and unspecific. On that basis only, our articles are divided into two parts, or we can say we have two types of articles. One is definite articles and indefinite articles. Up the question is, what are definite articles and what are indefinite articles? Anyone who can tell me what are definite articles or indefinite articles? Okay, let me tell you. Indefinite articles are the articles which are unspecific. On that basis only, we have two types of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. So if I'll talk about definite article, we have the, whereas in indefinite articles we have a or n. So in total we have three articles, a, n and the. So a and n are the indefinite articles, whereas if definite articles we are talking about, we have only the. Now let us talk about indefinite articles first. So indefinite articles, here we are talking about unspecific nouns. In the first slide we have discussed that we have two types of nouns, specific or unspecific. So here we are dealing with the unspecific nouns only. The article a is used before a consonant word or any vowel with a consonant sound. So basically here the main thing which we have to keep in mind is, if the word is producing or just giving a sound of a consonant, in that case we have to use a. What we have to use? A. Okay. The most